Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can import or add a music or sound to your Blender project. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to import or add a music or sound to your Blender project, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to drag this bottom part of your Blender upwards in order to view the editor area of your Blender. So here in the editor area is where we can do many functions in Blender, such as adding keyframes, editing videos, and this is also where we can add a sound to our Blender project. So to add a sound to your Blender project, first, I want you to click this icon at the top left side of your editor area. And after clicking it, you will then be able to see many options you can do to your editor area. Among these options, I want you to select the video sequencer, since this is the option that will allow us to add a music or sound to our Blender project. And after selecting it, you will then be able to see your editor area will change into this view. That means you are already on your video sequence section. So to add your own sound or music here on video sequence, I want you to click this add option right here. And then select the sound option. And after that, you will then be directed to your file explorer, so just go to the location where the sound that you want to add is saved to find it. And once you've found the sound that you want to add to your Blender project, you can now select it. And then click Add Sound Strip. And after that, it's done. Congratulations! Your sound file will now be added to your Blender project just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.